Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 8.3 question number 1b. Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 18,000 for 2.5 years and 10% per annum compounded annually. Here you see that principal P is rupees 18,000, rate are 10%, number of years n, that is first we will find for 2 years and after that half years, that is simple interest for half years. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. That is 18,000 plus 1 by R, that is 10 by 100 to the power 2. Then 18,000, 100 plus 10 by 100 whole square, that is 18,000 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. This 0 will cut, this 0 will cut, and this 0 will cut with this 0 and this 0 will cut with this 0. Therefore, we are getting 180 into 121. If we multiply this number, we are getting 21,780. 21,780. Now, we find the simple interest for 6 months. Simple interest, SI. We know the formula SI is equal to simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. P R T by 100. Here see, the principal is this one, that is 21,780. 21,780 into rate is 10% per annum, therefore 10 by 100. 10 by 100. And T is for half years, that is 1 by 2 years, 1 by 2 years, right? Then we are getting this 0 will cut, this 0 will cut, this 0 will cut, and this 0 will cut, right? If we divide it by 2, that is 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, then 2 0 is 0, 2 8 is 16, 18, 2 9 is 18, 1089, rupees 1089. This is the interest. Therefore, total interest is equal to compound interest is equal to compound interest. Compounds. Compound interest. This is the amount. First up, we will find this compound interest. Compound interest is equal to compound interest. We are getting, that is A minus P, amount minus principal. Here amount here see here is 21,780 minus 18,000. We are getting 21,780 minus 18,000. We are getting 0, 8, 7, 8, 19, 11, 3, 3,780, 3,780, right? The simple interest we are getting 1089. Therefore, compound interest, total compound interest is equal to rupees 3780, 3780 plus rupees 1089, 1089. Therefore, we are getting rupees. We add this one. It is 1089, 1089, 37 with 3, 7, 3780, 80. Then we are getting 9. 8 plus 8, 16, carry 1, it is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4, 8, 6, 9. So we are getting rupees 4,869. This is the compound interest. This is the compound interest, right? This is the compound. That is, you got total compound interest as 4869. Therefore, we are getting the amount, total amount is equal to principal plus compound interest, total compound interest, principal plus compound, total compound interest. That is, principal is rupees 18,000, 18,000, 18,000, and total compound interest is rupees 4,869. If we add the numbers, we are getting 18,000, 18,000, and 4,800, 4,869. Then we are getting, here it is 9, 6, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 2, carry 1. There is 22,869. The total amount is rupees 22,869, 869, and that is the answer. Right, here you see total compound interest is 4,869 and amount is rupees 22,869. First of all, you have to remember that for here it is given the time 2.5 years. First of all, we will find for 2 years interest for 2 years compounded annually, and after that for half years we will find the simple interest. After that we will add this one to get the total compound interest. This is the total compound interest, total compound interest. This is for 2 years and this is for half years, that is simple interest, right? If we add the numbers, the total compound interest will be 4,869 and amount equal to principal plus compound interest, that is 18,000 plus 4,869. That means we are getting rupees 22,869 as amount. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.